This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and making a quick backup. This prevents surprises. Once done, plug in power and connect to a reliable network so downloads won't fail. Then open Settings, go to Update and Security and click Check for updates. This triggers the process. Make sure automatic updates are enabled if you want background installs. If you see a feature update, read its size and timing options, then choose Download when you're ready. You monitor the download. Prioritize security and cumulative updates while treating optional drivers separately. Once the download completes, you can install immediately or schedule a restart. Set active hours so Windows won't reboot during your work. If the update stalls, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter to clear cache and reset services. This often fixes corrupt update components. Make sure sufficient disk space is available. If space is tight, remove temporary files or use Storage Sense to free room before installation. You finish by rebooting when prompted. This finalizes feature and quality updates. Then verify success in update history. If an update fails, note the error code and run sfc/scano followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. These commands often resolve component errors. If problems persist, create Windows 10 installation media to perform an in-place upgrade or repair install, which preserves files and apps. One key tip: when stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.